Nice. And so this is gonna happen at what time?
So we're starting at 6 p.m. and it will last until 10 p.m.
Nice.
Yes.
And only drinking or food? Last time you said you're gonna work on the menu.
Exactly.
Did you?
So we did actually together with the chef. We set up a very special menu for you. And what we did, we're going to implement our green egg together and to combine it with the cocktails. So, for example, we're going to serve you some Hennessy glazed ribs, some tuna.
wow.
Yeah,
Sounds very
good,
fancy.
right? And fancy.
Yeah.
It's perfect in combination with the cocktails based on Hennessy. Also some shrimps, for example, and the prices will be between the $7 and $12 per dish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing.
$7 and $12.
I still have the Hennessy glazed
Yeah,
ribs.
you already feel it, right? Tasting.
Girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, we tried the cocktails, and I can tell you,
Yeah,
you better come.
we did.
Better come.
And how
Have
about
to taste it
entertainment?
ourselves. So we're gonna have to have some live entertainment for you. I'm going to keep it as a surprise.
Oh.
So to make you excitement already. Yeah.
Nice,
To start
nice.
it.
And do I need a reservation to attend this?
No, you do not. You can make a reservation. You can call us. You can make a reservation online, but you can also pass by.
Okay.
So no reservation is required.
Oh, okay. So we can just walk in as
Yes.
well. And if it's a group, let's say like 5-6 people, is that possible as well without reservation?
Of course, yes. Just we're opening the doors at 5. The event itself will start at 6 p.m. So just be on time. We also have a lounge. We have enough tables for you. But if you want to make sure, you can always make a reservation.
Awesome.
Nice.
Were you invited for the tasting? I wasn't.
We will put a note.
Yeah,
Please.
for the next time. Yeah.
So for the ones who still doesn't know, when you mentioned the green egg, it's like a signature grill that you guys have
Exactly.
there, right?
Yeah, so we smoke, for example, meat or fish on the green egg, and it gives like a very special smoky taste. So it's a highlight of our restaurant, I always say, of fusion. We have 2 of those, and when you pass by, you already smell the smoke.
Yes.
So it's really, really special. Always when I'm working, I'm like, oh, it smells so good. I want to taste something.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Palo
Nice,
kita Hennessy Kiko purbi sa dia bebida que paisa não conhece bebê e esse não quer beber com esse bebê agora aqui bobo combine com Kiko e se bobo beber suso é bom para gente não kuno e que por bem of nada bisa não sei bebida foi arte para gente amber so você
Well, actually, lo que hopi gente pensa, Hennessy tá bebida eta bing di região de Cognac na França. Então, eta waro traha di eau de vie, dus agua de vinha, um very specific grape variety, uni blanc. Caminda ko eta waro traha mescos ko any spirits, anto di verdad eta spirit basta pisa, pero si bo combine den cocktails Eta hacia very enjoyable. Iya, bij amante na di bon cognac nanta conoci ko nata bebe of neat, of on the rocks, of nata mixe ko tiki ginger ale of awa. Dus wanneer de caso aqui Hennessy very special, ta very mixable. Dus é not solamente assim, na. Uma vez bobai mas higher up dingen tier, mas não via sopi, XO para disso, então eu na melhor recomendar just neat of maybe dash de awa. Pero verder gewoon enjoy it as you prefer.
Claro.
e normalmente me põe vinha não boto bisa ok boto beber ora depende que vinha que carne of galinha of pescar essa aqui não tem nada a ver Hennessy também bobo beber que hora que tá
Actually, sim. Vou beber que hora que tá. Hope que te gostei como after dinner drink.
Okay.
Mas não
I did not
digestivo,
know that.
pero vou por beber anytime, of course. Mas não bisa. If it's 5 o'clock somewhere, you're allowed to drink.
Exactly. That's the spirit.
so we can drink now
Yes, let's
Yeah?
start. 8 a.m.
Actually, vou por trazer asa de mix met mimosa.
sim
Vou por add een extra shot de mimosa de Hennessy. Dus yes,
Oh my
it is.
God.
E
Vou
com-
por drink it
No
for
donate,
breakfast.
please.
no está assim entertainment you don't want to say anything about it you sure
Well,
what kind of music at least
so it's a little bit of, we have a singer, some
Okay.
guitar, and that's the only thing I will give away.
It's gonna be a little like an unplugged vibe.
unplugged vibe
Exactly.
okay.
Okay.
Unplugged vibe.
That's
yeah.
nice. Reservations. If I want to do a reservation,
Yes.
can we?
You can.
Where?
Where?
I have the number for you.
Okay, perfect.
So, first of all, you can do it online. So, on our website, you can always call, and you can call the following number 297 280 9994.
Okay.
Yes, you can also send an email to our email address. And also important to say is that we also have our normal menu during the Aperitivo events.
Awesome.
So if you like our cowboy special, for example, you can still order it.
Amazing.
What is the most that you sell? The food that you have there that you say, okay, that's the one that
Like the
every day
the
is your favorite.
The most famous thing, the highlight. So it is our cowboy special.
Okay.
Yeah, it is our cowboy special. You have the cowboy steak itself, 2 lobster tails. We have 2 side dishes for you of your choice, and we serve you 1 bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon, the Ironstone. Yeah.
That sounds
Mangkome kayo. My house.
Hey,
good.
I was in Atlanta the whole day.
Hambra.
I'm talking since 7 in the morning about food.
Food.
Oh my God. Bye-bye diet.
See,
Bye-bye, guys.
ayo.
The whole week.
No, pero from our side, good luck with this Friday.
Thank you so much.
And we're gonna see each other there because
Yeah, can we reserve
definitely
a
I
table
wanna
for you?
try the Hennessy cocktails.
Yeah, of course, you
You're
have to.
more than welcome.
We have a very well experienced and well known bartender going to make the cocktails for you. So he will surprise you. We are certain.
Perfect. So we got a date Friday.
Friday, this Friday.
Yes,
the
starting
6th
at
of
6.
September. Yes.
We can go at 5.
Yeah.
Like the
Hey,
best
first
seats,
come, first serve, right?
the best seats in the house.
Yes. No, thank you, ladies,
Thank
for
you so much for hosting
your
us.
time. Thank you.
Thank you.